Welcome. In this session, attention turns to a component that quietly does its job until issues begin: a fuel injection pump compatible with K38, K50, KTA38, KTA50 diesel engines, matching part numbers 3,632,513 and 3,075,537. The goal here is to break down how this pump works, why it matters, what to check, how to install, real performance expectations, and common pitfalls. First, a reminder of the pump's role. In a diesel system, the injection pump is responsible for generating pressurized fuel, metering correct volume, and timing its delivery to injectors. If that pump is failing or out of spec, the engine can stumble, rough idle, surging, misfires, increase smoke, or even refusal to start. This particular pump is sold as compatible with the K and KTA engine families, K38, K50, KTA38, KTA50. These are heavy-duty diesels. The reference numbers, 3,632,513, 3,075,537, align with OEM or catalog listings. But compatible is a promising word. Compatibility does not always equal perfect fit or performance. That's where detail matters. Let's look at what should be expected in design and build. The outer housing needs to be robust, resistant to vibration, thermal fatigue, and corrosion. Internally, precision machined plungers, pistons, and valves must maintain tight tolerances. Any slack, leakage, or misalignment inside would reduce pressure or allow bypass. Seal elements, O-rings, gaskets, must be made of diesel-resistant material capable of handling heat cycles and pressure. The drive interface, splines, flanges, coupling, must match engine geometry precisely. Misfit there can lead to wobble, uneven wear, or mechanical damage. But even if the mechanical structure looks correct, one of the most critical aspects is calibration. A pump must deliver a correct fuel curve, i.e. fuel quantity versus engine speed/load, and have proper injection timing. If these are off, engine behavior suffers. That's why before committing, it's important to check whether the seller pre-calibrates or if the pump is delivered as is and expects the buyer to tune it. Some pumps allow adjustment, others are fixed. If fixed and wrong, the risk is increased. Now consider the step of installation. Here are guidelines. Ensure perfect alignment of the drive shaft coupling. Even slight misalignment can cause bending loads or early wear. Use fresh gaskets/seals where required, never reuse compromised seals. Torque fasteners to manufacturer spec. Over or under torque can cause distortion or loosening. After mounting, bleed air out of the fuel lines carefully. Air in the system is often a silent cause of irregular fueling, misfires, or hesitation. Begin operation under light load. Monitor for leaks, unusual noises, irregular pressure, or erratic behavior. Test progressively under increasing loads to validate proper function. What should realistic performance look like? If the pump is correctly built and properly installed, it should restore stable, consistent fuel flow. That means smoother throttle response, cleaner idle, fewer fuel surges or dips, improved operational consistency.